Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 301 different strategies with 94 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 194 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,013 indicators, with 423 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, ditch the EMAs. This new indicator is 3 times better. And so of course we're going to put that to the test, see what we can get out of this indicator. But the strategy here isn't just a single indicator, so it will be a whole strategy together. So it's kind of unfair to say that we're going to be testing the indicator. Instead, we'll be testing the whole system, and maybe we'll test the indicator at some point on just a standard testing video. We'll see, but we'll go ahead and hide the 2 indicators for now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the EMA difference histogram and stochastic indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And this is the one that the video claims is 3 times better than the EMAs, I guess I should say. And so jump into the settings, and the EMA 1 we're going to change to 50. The EMA 2 we're going to change to 1. And then make sure that the K is on 6, the D is 3, and the stochastic is on 14. Those all should be default, but just double check. Then jump into the styles. The color 0, we're going to click on and turn the opacity down to 0. Sorry, the color 1. I don't know if I said 1 or 0. Color 1, we're going to click on and turn the opacity down to 0. Color 2, we're going to click on and turn the opacity down to 0. Then we're going to turn off the stock bull here and the stock bear there and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the purple cloud indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we will jump into the settings of this one as well. So under the inputs, we're going to change the period to 21. We're going to change the alpha to 3 and the buy pressure and selling pressure. You're both going to change those to 0.1. And then uncheck these, make sure these are unchecked. Everything else should be on the default. I think those are unchecked on default as well. And so click OK. And your chart should look like I have mine now. So what we're looking for specifically is going to be the comet tag or the rocket tag from the purple cloud. And in this case, we're looking at a short, so we're looking for the comet tag. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a little comet right here inside the red box. And once we pick up a red box with a comet inside like this here, then we're going to look down to the EMA stochastic here, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. When those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this signal candle right here. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within a couple candles we come down, hitting our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be the green tag, just like this here, the green box. And this one again has the little rocket ship inside of the green box. And once we get that green box there with the rocket ship, we're going to look down to the EMA histogram, the EMA stochastic, and we want it to have a green bar. Now it's kind of hard to see, there's just a little bitty sliver right there, but if I zoom in really tight on this here, you can see that we do indeed have a little green bar right there. And so when those two line up, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. I'm going to put our trade right there. Again, we're going to set our stop just right below this signal candle, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just about so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. You can see within just a couple candles we come up, hitting our take profit again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades, putting it at a 24% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,200 for an overall loss of $8,000. So definitely not a great trading strategy. Now, the big problem with this is that, in my opinion, these stops were just way too tight. It would have been much better finding a point of structure, a pivot, and then setting our stop there, and a little bit better reward out of a little bit better take profit. And so, but that's just my quick analysis on it. Definitely would like to test it a little bit more. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though. During the same period of time, we did 93 trades altogether. We had a 76 winning trades and 17 losing trades, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $45,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $20,400 for an overall gain of $25,200. So significantly better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator signals. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 10 trades altogether. We had 6 winning, 4 losing. A 60% win rate would have been a gain of $160. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate, a gain of $600. Would have been a gain of $760 for the week, and at the, that's actually a 31 week total now, we would have been up $49,090 over 248 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here, the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.